I just received brand new brow pencils from Dominique Cosmetics, so let's go ahead and try these out. They sent me all 6 shades, so thank you so much for that. So here's what the pencil looks like, and what you can see that's unique is the shape of it. It's very, very slim, very sharp, so you can really get those hair-like strokes. And at the other end, there is a little spoolie. Let's brush the hairs up. By the way, this retails for $25. The design of this really makes it easy to get those hair-like strokes, those really fine, sharp hair-like strokes. So this would be great for someone who doesn't have the most brow hair. I'm actually getting a good brow very quickly. I'm really happy with this. Like, I haven't put much effort into this at all. They also have a clear brow gel. So here's the brow before, here's after. Y'all tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty good. Brows are finished, and I think this is going to be my new go-to brow duo. So if you like to have clean lines, sharp lines for your brows, you're really going to like this. And the brow gel, I really like how it's set down. I like that it's matte. It doesn't give me this shiny finish, so that's a plus. So I highly recommend these if you like to do your brows.